everybody, welcome back to Archery Country YouTube. I am Wade, and today we're checking out one of the three brand new 2023 Mathews release as we look to the brand new Phase 4 33. This is 33 inches axle to axle. It's going to be a 6.5 inch brace height. And a ton of great technologies that we've experienced from Mathews in the past. They've surpassed our expectations and introduced even more, even greater. So a lot of the same similarities, but some new introductions. On the Phase 4, what we have is going to be the RPD limb system, where we actually take a limb as you look for split limbs, and we're going to split them again. So we have 8 limbs as we look top and bottom, 4 top, 4 bottom. And the reason for doing this, as we talk about a phase system and the deflection of the limb, every archer is just a little bit different in their draw length and their draw weight, the way that they torque the bow, the way that they anchor, and our limbs are gonna have different deflections. And when we're at full draw, we actually take the limb out of phase. So with this incorporated rubber dampening inside, we're gonna take that after the shot, we're gonna take those limbs and put them back into phase. Drastically reduces noise. It's 10% quieter on the shot with the new limb system on the Phase 4. So an awesome technology that they incorporated. It's very beefy, the connection points are there, a very rugged, robust build from Mathews. As we move up, again, the signature cross-centric switch weight technology cam utilizes a module system that not only controls your draw length, but also your draw weight. On the Phase 4 33, we're gonna go from 27 inches out to 31.5 for the long draw archers. And again, 60, 65, 70, and 75 pound increments on that being your max weight. Great incorporation of the zebra strings again. We include the center guard technology, which is gonna eliminate your torque on top or bottom cam. It equalizes everything right in the center. Right above that, they brought back the Bridgelock technology, so we can take the Mathews sight, or we can take a lot of your different sight companies now have a dovetail system that will fit in there with a set screw, which also increases our integrity. It's very, very strong point, nothing's gonna move, and you can customize your length on that. Great feature as we move down, the Engage grip is a great addition to Mathews a couple of years ago, and we still have that. This is the full Engage grip. You also can get the Engage side plates, and of course aftermarket grips go on that. The integrated rest system still brought back the dovetail, so we can incorporate the integrate on the QADs, also Hamskea. We still have the burger hole we can run there, ripcord, a couple of the other great manufacturers we can run on that system. As we move down the bow, something that your eyes have already set on is gonna be the brand new Bridgelock stabilization system. These stabilizers are gonna come in an 8, a 10, and a 12 inch where you can actually customize your length because everything is incorporated into the Bridgelock, into the riser. So we have a set screw that we can loosen, run this in, run this out. So again, you can customize your stabilizer length. Every archer is just a little bit different. Every archer needs a little bit more weight, a little longer, a little less. In between, Mathews adjustable V-bar system allows the Bridgelock technology to do the same thing on the back bar. And they've introduced what we call interlink system. So this is a 100% aluminum bar, very strong connection point through that. Your interlink, we can stack up to 14 ounces where we don't have a center stud. There's not gonna be a threaded stud that you're gonna run out of room. These are all gonna have just a set screw that you loosen, take it off, interchange your interlink system, and you can run out. That's a 1 ounce stainless steel weight that you can get from Mathews. So a great addition to Mathews, the Phase 4 33 with the RPD, the Bridgelock, stabilizers brand new, the Bridgelock technology in there, center guard, everything wrapped up. Now we're gonna head over to the range and give you some real world speeds, 4 different arrow setups, and then come back and talk to you a little bit more about it. All right, now we're on the range with the Mathews Phase 4 33 axle. Again, this is at 28 inches, 70 pounds. 4 different arrow weights. First arrow is gonna be 350 grains. (310 feet per second). So great speeds on the IBO setup. Arrow, this is 414 grains, so a little bit of your lighter setup. 287 feet per second, a 464 grain arrow. 271 feet per second, and 504 grains. (261 feet per second. Again, Mathews Phase 4, 33, 28-inch draw, 70 pounds. All right, back on the range with the Phase 4, 33. Again, this is gonna be at 30 inches, 70 pounds, 4 different arrows. This first arrow is gonna be 350 grains. Super smooth. 330 feet per second. Next arrow is gonna be 414 grains. (304 feet per second). Third arrow, 464 grains. (288 feet per second). 504 grain arrow. (278 feet per second. So still very, very good speeds on the Mathews Phase 4, 33, 30-inch draw, 70 pounds. So there you got an idea of some arrow speeds that this bow is shooting at 2 different draw lengths. Again, with that 6.5-inch brace height, very, very forgiving bow for the archers that are out there, your tack events, your 3D, kind of a hybrid bow. Great for out west, long, super long distance. Is a very, very stable platform, having that extended riser on the 33 Phase 4. As you see this, we have a ton of awesome 2023 bow reviews. If you want to check out our playlist up above, also click the like button, subscribe, and look forward to seeing you on our next 2023 bow release video.